Hey everyone, and welcome to TECHFRONTER. Today, we're going to be talking about the Apple MACBOOK M3, the most overrated laptop of 2023. We're going to take a look at its specs, performance, and price, and see why it's the best choice for students, professionals, and creative professionals. The MacBook M3 is the most advanced laptop that Apple has ever made. It features a new M3 chip that is up to 40% faster than the previous generation M2 chip. It also has a new Liquid Retina display with a resolution of 2560 x 1664 pixels. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative professional, the MacBook M3 is the perfect laptop for you. It's fast, powerful, and has a beautiful display. The Apple MacBook M3 is one of the most overrated laptops of 2023. It is expected to be a significant upgrade over the current MacBook M2, with a more powerful M3 chip, a longer-lasting battery, and a new design. On the specs side, having the M3 chip with 8 or 10 cores, having 8GB or 16GB of unified memory, having 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, or 2TB of SSD storage, having 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display with 2560 x 1664 resolution, having Touch Bar and Magic Keyboard, and up to 20 hours of battery life. On the price side, the Apple MacBook M3 is expected to be priced starting at $1,299. This is slightly more expensive than the current MacBook M2, but it is still a competitive price for a laptop with these specs. Why you should be excited? The Apple MacBook M3 is an exciting laptop for a number of reasons. First, it is expected to be significantly faster than the current MacBook M2. The M3 chip is expected to have a more powerful CPU and GPU, which will make it ideal for demanding tasks like video editing and 3D rendering. Second, the MacBook M3 is expected to have a longer-lasting battery. The M2 chip is already known for its excellent battery life, and the M3 chip is expected to be even more efficient. This means that you will be able to use the MacBook M3 all day without having to worry about running out of battery. Finally, the MacBook M3 new design. The current MacBook design has not changed much in recent years, and some people are ready for something new. One possibility is that the MacBook M3 will have a more minimalist design with thinner bezels and a sleeker profile. Overall, the Apple MacBook M3 is a very exciting laptop. It is expected to be faster, more efficient, and have a better design than the current MacBook M2. If you are looking for a new MacBook, the MacBook M3 is definitely worth waiting for. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the MacBook M3.